Data Voyages. This is Igor Alcantara, and I'm here to talk about the MCP one more time. And again, quick reminder, MCP is the protocol that we can use to communicate API endpoints with LLM modules. So we had previous videos. So Mark Costa created like the first video where he explains MCP and shows like a more complete use case in the Qlik platform. And then I have a series of videos where I show different functionalities. I show Qlik answers already. I show how we can use different services, different MCPs, like Google Sheets and Postgres and other things. I have another video where I show how to move data from one environment to another using MCP. And now let's talk about Qlik Predict. And for that, I am using the database that we created in the previous video using the MCP in Postgres. Again, I'm using Postgres as an example for this use case. It could be Snowflake, it could be Databricks, it could be a service in AWS, it could be anything. And this is a very interesting use case because as of now, the only input data to Qlik Predict files that I store in the Qlik cloud. So either CSV file, Excel files, Parquet, QVGs, etc. There is no direct way unless we use like automation, use other things, but there's no direct way that we can basically get data from Snowflake, Databricks, Postgres, whatever source, and then has that as an input to Qlik Predict. So this is the use case that I'm going to do today. We're going to run that use case. So let me start and sharing my screen. And I will start with a basic question. I will start list my Qlik Predict deployments. So this is using the Qlik MCP that we developed at IPC Global to basically using my credentials based on my access, get the list of Qlik Predict deployment. All right, so it's able to return me 32 Qlik predictions deployments. So there's a lot of deployments in my environment. I do really use that. And the one that I'm actually interested is this one right here, ML employee turnover, because that's the one that I'm going to use. So let me get that name. We don't need to have the actual name, exactly name, because Qlik Predict will be able to look at it. And now I will continue this and I'll say, okay, thanks. Let's connect to Postgres database. Let me give the name MCP underscore demo. Okay. Get on that database, get the data from the table employees turnover. Let me just confirm employee turnover. It is singular. Employee turnover. And submit to the Qlik Predict deployment. Then let me give the name, which is this one here, to the Qlik, this one, and run the predictions. Save the result back to this same table in Postgres. Save the prediction value in the column, and then we can get the column names, which is churn prediction, churn prediction, and save the probability of the turn return by the Qlik Predict deployment to the column turn yes. Okay, so let's run and wait for the result. Okay, so it did in multiple steps all the tasks that I asked, and it completed. I fast forward a little bit because it took some time to do all of the processing. Took like around um, um, 3-4 minutes to run the whole thing. So in order to make the video a little shorter. And let's take a look. Let's run. Let's update this select statement in Postgres. All right, and let's take a look. There we go. Now we do have the prediction, yes or no, and then we have the probability as well. Okay, so pretty good. And basically, that is a demonstration of how we can use the MCP, this new, famous, popular now, everybody's talking about in protocol, in order to get data from any source, run predictions in Qlik Predict, and save the results back anywhere you want it. You just need to have the MCP configured to every single one of those endpoints that you want to work with. All right, so I hope you enjoy this. Take a look at this on this side here, the QR code, so you can check our website, datavoyagers.net. Make sure to follow our YouTube channel, youtube.com/datavoyagers. Check our website, datavoyagers.net. We have everything there, our store, our videos, the blog. There's some great articles that we're publishing. We have the podcast. Make sure you subscribe to podcasts. There's a lot of content. We always have a content at least once a week, something new there. So take a look. Thank you for watching. See you next time.